Welcome to JD's Prep. These next couple questions are about atmospheric CO2, okay, specifically looking at the recent data that we have. This table here is the atmospheric CO2 levels measured at the Mauna Loa Observatory in Hawaii since 1958. All right, so at the beginning of the study, we're looking down in here, the approximate concentration of carbon dioxide, we're about halfway between 310 and 320. So the approximate levels of carbon dioxide are 315 parts per million. Okay, it's asking us to compare that to 2015. So 2015, the approximate levels here, we'll look at 2015. Okay, we're looking in here. We're talking approximately 400 ppm. Okay, so it is approximately 85 ppm greater than in 1958 when the study began. And lastly, we're being asked to identify a likely reason for this overall change in CO2 concentration. So there's a growth in CO2 concentration. There are a lot of reasons that we could talk about. Definitely industrialization. Okay, and the associated greenhouse gases with that. So we have more burning of fossil fuels, so therefore more CO2 produced. Meanwhile, deforestation is something that is happening. And deforestation would also increase CO2 in the atmosphere, both through possibly the methods of deforestation and by just losing that as a carbon sink. Make sure that you're not that you're not talking about global warming here. Global warming is a result of this change in CO2 concentration, not a cause. All right, so make sure you're clear on that. All right, thank you for using JD's Prep.